The thoracic cage. The thoracic cage is formed by 1 to 12 thoracic vertebra at the back, 1 to 12 pairs of ribs on each side, and a single sternum anteriorly. The thoracic cage lodges the precious heart, and the lungs. Out of 12 pair of ribs, 10 pair only reach anteriorly. The intercostal space is a space between the lower border of the rib above and the upper border of the rib below. Since 10 ribs reach anteriorly, there are 9 intercostal spaces anteriorly. And since all 12 ribs are there posteriorly, there are 11 intercostal spaces posteriorly. The intercostal space is bounded by lateral border of sternum anteriorly, side of body of vertebra posteriorly, upper border is the sharp lower border of the rib above, and the costal cartilage, and lower border is the rounded border of the rib below and the costal cartilage. The inner boundary is the parietal pleura. The muscles are external intercostal, internal intercostal, and innermost intercostal. The external intercostal extends from tubercle of the rib behind to the costochondral junction anteriorly. The direction of fibers is antero-inferiorly. It arises from the lower border of the rib above to the rounded outer lip of upper border of the rib below. It is continuous with the external intercostal membrane. The internal intercostal muscle extends from angle of the rib behind to the side of the sternum in front. The direction of fibers is postero-inferiorly. It arises from the floor of the costal groove to the inner lip of upper border of the rib below. It appears to continue with the inner intercostal membrane and the superior costotransverse ligament. Innermost intercostal muscle lies in the middle 2/4 of the space. It arises from the rounded border above the costal groove and inserted with the innermost intercostal muscle. This muscle is supplemented by small subcostalis posteriorly and sternocostalis muscle anteriorly. These three components form the deepest layer of the intercostal muscles. These muscles are supplied by intercostal nerve running in between the muscles. These three intercostal muscles are supplied by the intercostal nerve running in between these muscles. Action. The intercostal muscles prevent bulging in of the intercostal space during inspiration and prevent their bulging out during expiration. External intercostal acts chiefly during inspiration and the other two act during expiration.